So I'm going to gamble. I'm going to replace the auxiliary belt tensioner and replace the belt. However, previously I did take the wheel off and the arch lining to get access to the lower covers of the crank. I'm just looking to see if there's an easy way to do it, but to be honest, even if I remove the tensioner, I can't really get down there and it's going to be a bit fiddly. So I think I'm just going to save myself a lot of pain and remove the covers with the wheel off. Bit of a better spot for light. So if you see this bit, you can make it rest sort of anywhere between here and here. There's no tension, and then the sort of travel, it's easy enough to do about that much distance. If we get the new one, and again you look at here, you can make it again sit with no tension like that. So you hear that click to there, there's the gap, so that's smaller, and then you need quite a bit of resistance to move it. More than that, let's go back to this one. See? Right, so it's on. I've released the pin, put the tension on the belt. It's all on correctly. Yep, so I'm going to fire it up, see if the noise is gone, and hopefully it is. So that seemed to be, the tensioner has fixed it. So which is good news because I had this noise that's been getting louder and louder and louder, rattling about. Just to summarise, took the belt off, ran the engine, no noise, no nothing. Put the belt back on, noise comes back. The noise tend to get better, quieter, but it was still there when you activated the air conditioning in the car. You could see the clear change. So whether that just tensions the belt up that little bit more to sort of dampen out the noise, maybe. So when I took everything off, I checked all the pulleys. There's nothing obvious at all. It seemed like it could only be either the air conditioner pulley or the tensioner. Tensioner is the cheapest option, so new tensioner and belt, straight on, quiet as a mouse. So job done, thank God.